It's raining. It's like almost 10 o'clock. I have work later today at 3. And we talked about getting a Christmas tree today, but it's raining. Oh my god. I am so tired, bro. Ugh. I think I might just chill in my bed all day until I have to go to work, obviously. I am on my way to work, stuck in traffic, moving very slowly. I just got out of work. I'm free and I have a bunch of food because sometimes they make the wrong shit. I have a whole huge ass slice of carrot cake that nobody picked up. But I'm gonna go to the gym on my way home. So, see you there. The fucking gym was closed. I've literally... Oh my god, I just need to calm down. Okay. This day was pretty trash. Just like, what a dumb day, honestly. But, yeah. You have to have dumb days sometimes. So, we're super grateful to be getting one over with. See you tomorrow.